Well, I'm not here on the sleigh today. Got a sleigh ride coming up in a couple of days, and we had a snowstorm come through last night. I had this trail broke the day before yesterday. I had to break it through about 1.5 feet of fresh snow, and now we got another 6 inches last night. So I'm out here breaking it again, and then 2 days from now I've got another sleigh ride. But they're calling for snow Saturday night again, so I don't know, I may have to break this trail again. Yesterday there was a few drifts, they were over 2 foot deep. The horses were right up to their bellies in the snow, so I don't know how it's all going to work, but you can hardly see the trail. Jeep, jeep, jeep. The trail's almost obliterated. I don't know whether you can see it any better than me. I happen to know where the trail is, but if I didn't know where the trail was, I'd have no idea where I'm going. This is what we're dealing with here. This trail was broke. It's up to the horses' hocks. Staggering around. You don't want to come out and try to do a sleigh ride in snow like this with a loaded sleigh. You got to break it with an empty sleigh, or you'll be stuck. So we're going to plow away here, break this trail. Oh, Great White North. So here we are. Yeah. All right, over and out.